Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about append fields in Ultrix. So and here this is the Ultrix Designer 64-bit operating system for. So here if you click on append fields, so here you get the all details. So append the field from source input to every record of the target input. Each record of the target input will be duplicated for every record in the source field. So let's understand by example. So first I'm going to drag to input or data inside the workflow, and here click this drop down, and here file, and here CSV file, and here dev1. Now this is the record inside the dev1. Now select this one. So here dev1. Now let's take one more, and here this going to select dev2. So here this is the record 120 350 150. Now here after join, and here drag append tool. So here you can see first is target and next is the source. So in dev1 I'm going to pass add here source. Now here you can see source ID name, and drag this dev2 in on the target. So there is no any problem. Take click there, and here you can see two fields. Input fields are source and two target. And here after let's drag report text inside the workflow, and now execute the workflow. And here you can see this is the records that come there, and after completion of this append fields, now this record is the passing. So add here according to the definition of append fields. So append the field source input to every record target. So this is add here source input 1020 350 SAM, and here 1020 or 1020 30 50. Okay, so here you can see 10 same Helen said, and this. So now this is going to do the appending 50. So first add here 100. So here 10 20 30 50, that append with 100. Now next time or 10 20 30 50, that append add here 20. So here you can see or 10 20 30 50, that going to append with 20. And dev again this 10 20 30 50, that going to append with 300. You can see, or 10 20 30 50, that going to append, if you scroll down here, 350. Now 10 20 here 10 20 30 50, that append with 300 ID. And if you scroll down here 10 20 30 50, that append with 150. So in last 150, that appended. So this is the use of append fields to append the field from the source input every record the target input. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.